Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. We are showing you this house and lot for sale located here inside the secured subdivision in Angeles City, Pampanga. This is near Clark and Friendship. Let's check it out. This property is priced at 43.8 million pesos. It has a lot area of 398 square meters, floor area of 601 square meters, has 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, corner unit, high ceiling, staff room, living, dining, kitchen, lanai, balconies, swimming pool, 3 to 4 carport, and it's furnished. Contact us for viewing. As we can see, guys, this property is situated on a corner lot located inside the secured subdivision here in Angeles City. And makikita nyo, guys, yung curb appeal ng bahay, very, very eye-catching. Talagang mapapatingin ka once you see this property. So on this side, nandito yung ating pedestrian gate. But first, we will go to the side gate because dito located yung ating 4-car carport. So let's go. You have this automated sliding gate right here for your convenience, of course. And makikita natin, just excuse the ongoing construction kasi meron pang finishing na nagaganap. But guys, from what it is right now, makikita natin how grand this carport is. Tiled floor, light strips on the ceiling, high ceiling by the way, and even big cars na vans ay pwedeng-pwede dito. Okay? This is the access to the service area and the pool. And of course, this one is going to the front. Now let's go back to the front ng bahay. Actually, it's up to you kung ano yung ituturing mong front. But for me, kung saan yung pedestrian gate, doon ang front. Guys, balcony, kita mo naman, napakaganda. And we are here. So marami pa tayong plans na for landscaping pa kasi 90-95% finished na yung bahay. From this angle, guys, we will see how grand the facade is. We have this cantilevered na parang cover sa ating entrance. We have light strips all around. And of course, yung ating big windows. Talaga namang masasabi natin na very bright and airy yung house. So, let's go, guys. May doorbell tayo. Welcome to the pedestrian gate. On the street level, we step up and we have this expansive porch area dito sa ating entrance. We have this greenery right here. Very nice. And na-imagine ko, guys, once na full grown na tong ating mga travelers plant, napakaganda. Then, this way, we have a seating area right here. More plants. And this one is sliding door. It will lead to your entertainment area by the pool. Later, makikita natin yung pool. But this time, let's go through the front door. And very nice tong wood details na ginamit by the front door. Kasi kamukha siya ng front door natin. Let us see. Big wooden front door, metal handle, smart lock by Samsung. Pivot yan, guys. And upon entry, you will be amazed on how grand this entrance is. Makikita natin, double height ceiling dito sa ating living area. We have a very nice chandelier, windows, really, really nice. Okay? Upon entry, nandito yung ating living area. Ang ganda ng choice ng couch natin dito and sobrang amazed ako dito sa solid wood na center table natin right here. And of course, this artwork talaga namang it draws your attention. Parang siya yung focal point dito sa ating living area. Now, this side right here is your 10-seater dining table. Imagine hosting your gathering right here with your family and friends. We have this console or buffet table at the back, and of course another very nice detail dito sa ating backdrop. Wow! Ang dami ko mapo-point out, guys. By the way, if you haven't noticed already, the ceiling, ang ganda ng detalye, yung cove lighting, yung choice of food, yung patterns, really nice. And going here is your formal kitchen. I've never seen a kitchen this wide. Ito pa lang. So U-shaped siya. You have a counter space right here. You have chairs if you want to use this for dining. You have bar stools right here if you want to have breakfast right here. Storage up above. You have your stove, your range hood, your microwave oven, your oven, and your two-door refrigerator right here. All included. And we have storage options underneath the counters. Imagine that. Okay? Really, really nice. Now, at the back, you have an access to your daily kitchen. Like I said, guys, we are at 95% finished. We have the storage for your pantry. You have counter space right here, range hood, your sink, and more storage over here. Okay? Now, at the back, hello kuya. To my right, ito yung access sa inyong garage or your carport. Your pump room is right here. When you walk through here, nandito naman yung ating staff room, which is really good size. May window siya for ventilation and natural light. And of course, yung toilet and bath and shower nandito for your staff. May counter din dito. Okay? Wanna have barbecue, pwede dito habang nagpo-pool. And pasilip ko na sa inyo yung pool from this angle. Guys, imagine how wide yung pool natin. Meron pa tayong water feature dyan. Hindi lang naka-turn on, but merong fountain dyan. Really nice detailing on the walls. We have a bar area right there. And of course, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na entertainment room, accessible siya to the pool. So, may gathering kayo dyan, then may magpo-pool dito yung mga kids. Very nice. And this door, ayun, sumindi na. Really nice, di ba? Meron tayong toilet dito and toilet for your pool users naman dyan. Okay? Balik tayo na lang dito, through this door. Imagine having your cocktails right here, di ba? Or coffee in the morning, very nice. Overlooking your pool. And pakita ko na sa inyo yung ating entertainment area. Ang ganda ng material na ginamit dito. This is not stone, pero stone-looking yung design niya. And this interesting light fixture right here na similar to the ones na Kobonpue or baka Kobonpue. Comment down below. Okay, I'm not sure guys. Don't quote me on that. Air conditioning of course, meron tayo dito. This one is 10-seater. Solid wood din. This is made on-site. Ang galing nila kasi kung nakita nyo yung mga gumagawa dun sa garahe, doon ginagawa itong mga to. Okay? We have outlets if you need. Nandyan. Now, let's go back to the main living area. One more look sa ating living. Our dining. And our beautiful kitchen. One thing I love about this property is meron siyang option if you wanna, if you have an elderly, or if you want to have a room downstairs for your guest. We have this door right here. For the first bedroom, ito sa ground floor to, you have your bed, your built-in cabinets na glass ang door. Very nice. You have a console right here. Big window facing the front of the house. Air conditioning installed. High ceiling. This door is your ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your partially enclosed shower with rainfall shower head and shampoo niche. Ang ganda. Tapos may ventilation din tayo doon. Okay? And this door naman, beside the room, is your powder room. This is accessible for your guests. You have a really nice sink right here and this Japanese toilet na favorite nating lahat. Of course, remote controlled yan. So let's try to... Really nice. Naglaro yung bata. Okay, this door right here is accessible dun sa ating 4-car carport. So marami tayong access points, no? Yan, sliding gate, automated. Very nice. And may I just point out that under the stairs, we have storage dito. So if you want to highlight your collection, pwede dito. Then meron din siyang mga covered na storage options. Yan. Now, let's now go to the second floor. Double height ceiling. Our stairs is made of wood planks, wood handrails with metal support and glass detail. We have this beautiful curtains installed para ma-filter out yung light if it gets too bright. Light strips on the wall, very classy. And this amazing chandelier. Okay? Let's save this room for last. Okay? Kasi ito yung master, no? So, walking through this hallway, really nice details sa wall natin. First bedroom on the second floor. Wow! You have your bed right here. Built-ins natin na, by the way, lighted pala. Even yung sa baba, lighted pala yun. Ayan. Really classy. You have your vanity, your console for your entertainment. You have a balcony over here. Sa front ito ng house. Very nice. And of course, your ensuite toilet and bath that has your sink, your toilet, and your partially enclosed spacious shower with shampoo niche. Very, very nice. By the way, guys, air conditioning natin ay Daikin. It's a very good brand. Not sponsored Daikin, but comment down below, baka naman. Bedroom, second bedroom here. Tons of space. You have your built-in cabinets na lighted. Your bed is right here. Meron tayong side tables. And may I just point out na meron tayong mga outlets on either side. All rooms have that. We have this console right here. Your ensuite toilet and bath. Sink, toilet, and partially enclosed shower right here. With, of course, window for ventilation. And we have a door for this side balcony naman. Right here. This balcony is shared by the next room and this room. Okay? Very wide. Amazing. Now, let's go to the next room. And of course, the floors are wood laminates, no? Tama ba? It's actually wood, hindi siya tile. Pagdating sa room, ito wooden design tiles naman siya. Another bedroom, third bedroom on the second floor. We have our bed right here, side tables. Nice detailing sa ating walls. We have our air conditioning, our lighted na built-in cabinet with sliding doors. And of course, your console. Now, ito yung sinasabi ko na shared sila dun sa kabilang room ng balcony natin. Really, really nice. Okay? Yun yung beauty pag corner, no? Ang daming sides na na-utilize. Okay? Of course, this room has its own toilet and bath. Spacious. Sink, toilet, and enclosed shower with, of course, ventilation na may screen na rin siya. Point out natin may screen na rin siya. So you can keep it open para well-ventilated yung ating bathroom. Going back to the hallway. Ito, wooden flooring dito. Check yung angle na to, guys. Oh. Imagine, no? Paglabas mo ng room mo, ito yung bubungad sa'yo. It gives you that grand feeling talaga. Now, let's check the master bedroom. Upon entry, you have this crazy amount of space for you to walk around and move around. You have your big bed right here, side tables with outlets, light strips sa ating walls, cove lighting, air conditioning is installed, big window right here and over there. Dito, you have an option if you want to have your seating area pa dito or a desk or whatever you need it for, pwede dito. You have this open shelves right here if you want to highlight your collection or your awards. We have this console with open shelves din dito sa gilid. And of course, your CCTV control is right here. Before we go to the master bathroom, we have a door right here. That has a spacious balcony for your master bedroom. Imagine ko pwede ka magkaroon ng dito ng mga outdoor furniture, seating area, di ba? Very nice if you wanna chill after a day's work. Really nice, no? Now this door is so amazing because we have all this built-ins for your clothes, your outfits, your bag collection. Lighted siya. You have racks, open shelves, more racks, more open shelves. And this, ito na-imagine ko to if you have your bag collection, perfect ito dito. Okay? Ma-highlight talaga siya. And of course, this vanity for you to do your skincare, makeup, and all. That has your toilet and bath. This is your Japanese toilet. Really nice. Let's try. We have this enclosed shower that has rainfall shower head, shampoo niche. We have this bathtub na may mga nozzle. I suppose this is a whirlpool, yung may mga bula-bula. Very nice, jacuzzi. Shelves right here, and you have, of course, your counter space for your sink and your vanity. And may window tayo for ventilation dyan sa taas na may screen din siya. Okay? Can we pan para ma-appreciate natin yung ating toilet and bath, yung ating napakalaking walk-in right here. May air conditioning pala ito guys, so maganda siya talaga for your your items, no? Lighted, ang ganda ng flooring. Then going back to your master bedroom. Really nice. And now, let's do the recap.
This property is priced at 43.8 million pesos. It has a lot area of 398 square meters, floor area of 601 square meters, It has 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, its corner unit, high ceiling, staff room, living, dining, kitchen, lanai, balconies, swimming pool, 3 to 4 carport, and it's furnished. Contact us for viewing.
Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.